I had just woken up. Was I asleep? I seem to remember that I had been playing the highly rated video game called Alan Wake on the celebrated Xbox 360 video game console from the world-renowned company called Microsoft. I heard a noise. This was the second time I had heard it. The first was right as I woke up. I didn't know if I was dreaming or not. I had no choice. I needed to investigate. I felt like it was calling me. Yes, even though it wasn't in English, which is the popular language I'm somewhat proficient in, I could sense that it wanted something from me. But what? I could hear it coming, like the unavoidable claws of death that eventually gets us all. It was near, and suddenly there it was. It was my kitty cat. She wanted treats, and she wanted them now. Once again, I was forced to bow to her dastardly will.